Today we're doing 610, solve system of equations by graphing. What does it mean to solve a system? Well, first of all, a system is an equation of two lines. So you would have two different equations, either y equals mx plus b or in standard form. So two lines. And to solve the system, you have to know where they intersect. So in order to solve it by graphing, you would obviously graph both lines. Now, sometimes they do not always intersect. So for this one, if the two lines intersect, they intersect right here at the point 2, 2. And both lines share one common point. Another possibility is to have two lines, but in this case, you would graph them and you would notice that the lines are parallel, so they do not intersect. For example, you could have y equals 2x plus 2 and y equals 2x minus 2. If you notice, their slopes are the same. However, they have different b's, which makes them different lines, but the same slope, making them parallel. So this would be a no solution for the system when you went to solve it. There's also another possibility. You could have a line and then a line right on top of it, which means they have the same equation, and it's what they call coincide. So you'll see that they would be right on top of each other. The answer for the solution would be indefinitely many, because there's several different points on this line where these lines intersect. So they intersect indefinitely many, meaning several times they coincide. Let's go into our first example. This is example number 1, solve the system by graphing. So here I've given you two different equations. The first thing you want to do is you want to write it in y equals mx plus b form so that you can graph it. So let's go ahead and we're going to solve this one. And we're going to put it in y equals mx plus b form. So I'm going to add x to the other side. These are gone. I have 4y equals x, and you don't have to write plus 0 because 0 plus x is x. And then you're going to go ahead and divide by 4. This is gone. I'll have y equals, and I'm going to make it 1/4 x. So this means you have an imaginary 1 here. It's 1/4 x. Let's go ahead and solve the second one. This one's a little bit easier. All I have to do is add x to both sides. I have y equals x plus 3, and this is my equation for the second line in y equals mx plus b form. The second step that you're going to want to do is to find m and to find b, the y-intercept. So you want to identify those using your equation. So here we have our slope is 1/4 and our b is 0. Here we have our slope as 1. It's not 0. Don't make that mistake. Some students sometimes forget that there's an imaginary 1 there. And our b would be 3. The last step is to graph. So now that you have your slopes and your b's, you can go ahead and graph them. I'm going to start with the first equation. I'm going to start here at 0. I'm up 1 over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1 over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can go backwards. I can go down 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's my line right there. And I'll show you that too. It's up 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4. And backwards down 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do the second line. We are going to start at 3, and we are going to go up 1 over 1. So up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and we're going to go backwards. We're going to go down 1, over 1, down 1, over 1, down 1, over 1, down 1, over 1. And if you notice, and again, my graph's not perfect because I don't have a ruler with my screen here. But if you notice, these intersect at -4, -1. So again, to show this, it's up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, and this is where they intersect. So my answer, or my solution to this system, is -4, -1. And that would be what I would write for my answer. That's where they intersect. Here we have example number 2. We're going to follow the same steps as before. First, we're going to get these into y equals mx plus b form. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add x. We're going to have x plus 5. And here we're going to add 4x to both sides. We're going to have y equals 4x minus 1. Now we need to identify our slope. Our slope here is 1 and our b is 5. Here our slope is 4 and our b is -1. So now we can go ahead and plot these points, or start with our b and graph these lines, I mean. So we're going to be up at 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. We'll go backwards, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. Here is our line. Then we can do the second one. We're going to start at -1, so we're going to be down here at -1. And I'm going to go up 4. And it's important to remember this is 4 over 1. So it's up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. Up 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. And you can see where these are going to intersect right here. And this is intersecting at the point here over 2. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 2, 7. So if you want to see that again, I start here at 5, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and I worked backwards, just going down 1 over 1. I drew my line. Here I was starting at -1. I went up 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, and you can see that at the point 2, 7, they intersect.